Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your freelance reputation with Upwork step by step clearly. To protect your freelance reputation on Upwork, start by creating a compelling profile. Choose a professional profile picture that reflects your personality and field. Write a clear and concise title that highlights your skills. Craft a detailed summary showcasing your experience and expertise. Include relevant keywords in your profile to improve visibility in searches. Add a portfolio section with samples of your best work. Make sure to keep your portfolio updated with recent projects. Set competitive and fair rates based on market research. Be responsive to messages from clients to foster good communication. Always deliver high-quality work that meets deadlines. Request feedback from clients after completing projects. Manage expectations by discussing deliverables and timelines upfront. Stay professional, even in challenging situations or conflicts. Handle disputes calmly and seek to resolve issues amicably. Keep track of your reviews and ratings regularly. Address any negative feedback by providing your perspective. Participate in Upwork community forums for additional networking opportunities. Continually invest in learning new skills to enhance your offerings. Stay informed about Upwork's policies and guidelines to avoid violations. Maintain transparency with clients regarding your work process. Remember, consistent professionalism will build a strong reputation over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.